So we are studying today about the disease and its control. We are studying disease and its control. In this disease and its control, today we have to study about the infectious and infectious and non-infectious causes. Infectious and non-infectious causes. Disease are caused either by the infectious causes or non-infectious causes. Infectious causes means which infect and spread from one person to another person, like microbes, just like bacteria, virus, protozoa, etc. These are the infectious causes, and some diseases which are not caused due to these agents, as diabetes, obesity, blood pressure, etc. etc. So, broadly, we can classify the diseases into two categories on the basis of nature, whether they can spread from one person to another person or not. So, two types of diseases are infectious or communicable diseases. Number one is infectious or communicable. Or communicable diseases. Infectious, number one is infectious or communicable diseases. So, these infectious diseases are those diseases which infectious diseases infectious diseases are those diseases. Infectious diseases are those diseases which are passed on from which are passed on from one person to another. One person to another through various ways like air, water, food, contact, air, water, food, contact, or vector, etc. So diseases or the infected diseases are those diseases which are passed on from one person to another through various ways like air, water, food, contact, or vectors. So these are called as the infectious diseases. And what are the causative agents are the infected diseases? And these diseases are caused by, so these diseases are caused by microbes like bacteria, virus, fungi, protozoa, etc. And examples of infected diseases. Some examples of infected diseases are examples. What are examples? Common cold, tuberculosis, cholera, cholera, and malaria, etc. These are the infectious diseases. In one word, you can understand that diseases which are caused by the microbes or living organisms. It is another matter that the rate of the spreading of diseases by bacteria, virus is faster than the diseases caused by nematodes. As you are familiar to the elephantiasis, the disease is spread by mosquitoes, and the rate of spreading is less in comparison to the common cold, etc. So the rate of spreading of diseases by microbes like virus, bacteria, fungi, etc. are faster than the diseases caused by the protozoans and nematodes. So next one is the after infected disease. Next one is the non-infectious or non-communicable disease. Non-infectious or non-communicable diseases. So second, we can write non-infectious or non-communicable diseases. So non-infectious. Second one is non-infectious or non-communicable diseases. So here non-infectious diseases are those diseases non non-infectious diseases are those diseases which are not passed on, which are not passed on from one person to another person. So non-infectious or non-communicable diseases are those diseases which are not passed on from one person to another person. These diseases are confined to only diseased person. These diseases are confined to only diseased person. As examples, and how these diseases are caused? How these diseases are caused? These diseases are caused due to, or these diseases are nutritional diseases, or nutritional diseases. Or nutritional diseases. Examples: nutritional diseases, genetic diseases, genetic diseases are due to malfunctioning of body organ. So how these are called? These includes the nutritional diseases. Suppose there is a deficiency of nutrients, deficiency of carbohydrate, deficiency of the protein, deficiency of the iodine, deficiency of the vitamins, deficiency of the minerals. These diseases are the non-infectious or non-communicable diseases. Some genetic diseases as hemophilia, color blindness, these are the diseases which are the genetic diseases, which comes in the genetic category of the diseases. And some malfunctioning of body part as kidney failure, heart diseases, and when pancreas is not properly functioning, diabetes, these are comes in the category of the malfunctioning of body parts or body organs. So examples of some diseases. Examples of some diseases. These are the causes: nutritional diseases, deficiency of nutrients. Some genetic diseases come in this category, and malfunctioning of body part also come in these categories. And diseases like goiter, scurvy, night blindness, color blindness, diabetes, heart diseases, kidney diseases, are the some examples of the diseases. So